if you're into the extra bright look, you might like this. And I do like extra looks. Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elaina. I'm a Russian-American beauty and makeup addict. I enjoy buying cheap and expensive makeup and reviewing it for you guys. I buy on Amazon, drugstore, dollar store, you name it. I'll be a guinea pig and I'll pass the savings to you guys. This is one of those videos. I went to 99-cent only store and I got a few inexpensive, really cheap items that created this look with. I mean, not all of it, but some of it. So if you're interested what happened, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell. I upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 11 AM Pacific time. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Let's get right into this dollar store haul. So let's get into the breakdown. So I went to 99-cent store, 99 only. And this is the one I haven't been to yet, this location. It's kind of smaller side, so I wasn't expecting much, but I did manage to find a couple of things I haven't seen yet. Of course I went there for the salad. And on top of the salad bags and vegetables, I went to the beauty section and dragged my husband as usual. And he had to patiently stand there and wait for me while I was browsing. They have a lot of Profusion stuff. So I saw these Profusion palettes and I had to get them. For $1.99 to $3.99 max, I'm getting them. So this is a Profusion contour palette. It looks like this. As you can see, the price tag is here, is $1.99. I haven't opened yet, so this is going to be first thing I try. The second thing is $1.99 as well. And this is a blush palette. Might be able to use quite a few shades. Some of them even look like bronzers. So again, we'll see what it looks like. It's pin taped, so I checked everything for the sanitary purposes. And this is a lip kit I would normally not get, but I'm gonna try something new, a darker lip tone. I'm probably gonna remove this after I try it. I always wear nude and I don't like my lips that much. But this is what it looks like inside. It's really pretty, the kit itself. It has a gloss and 2 pencils and 3 lipsticks and $3.99 for all of that. And then I got this beautiful packaged eyelashes. So this is a $2.99. It has 6 styles. This is my second purchase. I got this before. And this is your everyday style. They're a little plastic looking, but for everyday, for the way they're thin, they don't really stand out as fakes. I mean, as plastic. They look pretty good. So let's start with the contour palette. And I'll break this open. Hold on a second, let me remove this. Okay, after a brief struggle, I got my husband to open this. Well, at least it's sanitary. So here's a contour palette, very cheaply made. It's like almost like a plastic see-through thing here. Okay. Profusion, what are you doing here? It's really cheap. So I'm gonna go for the lightest shade first and we'll see how that works. We're going to go with the angled brush. Since it's a contour palette, we'll see how this contours. I don't know what payoff is gonna be. It's very powdery, I can see already. Very powdery. But that means nothing if it works. So, let's see. Oh, it works. And I'm glad I went for a lighter shade because it's pigmented. I'll take a fluffier brush to really blend it out because I'm getting real pale. It's been really rainy and kind of gloomy in LA, so I'm not getting any sun whatsoever. And I use SPF anyway, so I haven't self-tanned like in a long time because I feel like I'm covered with clothes and I don't care. So now you're gonna see a true Russian pale tone. Okay, it's not bad. It's definitely the lightest tone is the right tone for me. You have to go really sparingly. It's pigmented. It doesn't look bad on camera, I'm just looking at the screen. In real life I can see just a little patchiness here, kind of on my forehead a little bit. I'll have to fix it with powder because it kind of landed a little patchy. So we need to blend this. I'll go into the medium tone and you'll see all that powder sitting there. So I'm gonna try to warm it up with the middle tone, although it's a little darker, but I'm gonna go real lightly. Probably for the medium skin tones would be better, but for light and especially not for fair, that's for sure. Yeah, it's patchy, but we'll fix this with powder later. I'm gonna go with blush and then I'll fix with powder whatever landed badly. So we got this 6-color blush palette. It's called Studio Blush Palette, and the contour didn't really have any name. It says 6-color contour palette, that's it. And this one is Studio Blush. Yeah, it's pretty much, that's it. We'll see, it's probably powdery as the contour was. So I'll use another angled brush. And I'm gonna go for the lightest shade, kind of a coral, because now I'm scared it's gonna be too bright. Yeah, it looks like it's a little powder as well. It might be just a little better quality, hope. Yeah, the blush is not bad. It's not overly pigmented. Yeah, it's really pretty. It's very subtle. Maybe I will go to a deeper tone. Alright, the deeper tone was too much. Oops, I think I made too much of the blush tone. Yeah, I went a little too bright. We'll fix that. I can use it. I can use lighter tone to do that, so might as well. Let me see how that works. Yeah, there's not much coverage in that powder. I mean, there is a reason why stuff ends up in a dollar store. It's probably not all that great. Let's see if this is gonna help. A little sponge. This sponge came from Advanced Radiance powders, so let's see. Yeah, it kind of helps a little bit to remove extra pigmentation, which I don't like. Came out just a little bright. Alright, let's try the highlight part. I noticed one of this lighter shade, I think it's supposed to be a highlight. Although after I made my own highlight in my previous video, nothing is gonna be as satisfying. So this looks like it's gonna be real subtle. So let's try it on a small brush, because if it's that subtle, it might not have any payoff. Take small brush. Let's see. Oh, wow. Maybe it was someone else in this brush before, I don't know. But it looks like not a bad highlight. Wow. It's actually amazing. Okay, so at least we got something good out of this. Maybe this kind of highlight will emphasize texture, but if you're into the extra bright look, you might like this. And I do like extra looks and kind of blend. It's always good to blend with the brush over so the highlight doesn't look like a stripe. Separate from blush and contour. A real blob of contour here. It landed there and doesn't want to come out. Okay, assessing the situation, it looks pretty decent. The highlight does. The blush wasn't bad. I say it's not a bad buy. Actually, it's not as powdery as contour colors. There's some options here. This one is good for fair skin tones. I tried this one. It's a little bit deeper, And you have to go light, that's all. But this works. The contour palette, I would say this tone is about the only one I can use, and I'm not that fair, so the highlight was amazing, and I thought it would have no payoff, and it was like, wow. So that worked. And now we're going into the lip. I'm really nervous about it, but before we go, let's give it a spritz of my iconic London, one of my favorite. You know it's coming. Alright. Interesting part. I hate dark lips. I hate them. So it's gonna be painful for me to try. So it comes with 2 pencils and 3 lipsticks. So let's watch the lipsticks first. So we got the True Red. And let's try this. It is True Red. It looks bright. Kind of pretty color. Not for everyone. For me, usually it's a no, but today I'm gonna have to use one of them and go against my judgment. And this kind of a pink. I might go with this. Go with my eyeshadow. On my eyes, I got Tidy Beauty. I've been using between Tidy Beauty and Shane Dawson palettes, since it's the only 2 palettes I have that are kind of nice and good quality. So yeah, it's like a fuchsia pink. And then we got the third one. It looks like a deeper red. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely deeper. Put this here. This one is kind of a cool tone red. I might have to be brave and try that. I don't know, we'll see. And 2 pencils we got. Actually, wait, there's a lip gloss. Almost forgot that. Oh, it smells nice. I can't place it. It smells like kind of fruity smell. Oh, it's pigmented too. That might be a winner. I could wear this. It's pink. It's like a light pink. Smells amazing. Okay. And that was cheap too, so. One of the pencils. Kind of a deep shade. It's like a deep mauve shade. A pencil is. And second pencil, we got more red. It's like a dark red, I think. Yeah, definitely. So I think I'm gonna be brave and try red. Maybe like a cooler red tone. I'm gonna have to overline the F out of my lips. Because as you know, if you put bright tones on the small lips, it's gonna look even smaller and awful. So let me zoom in a little more. The smell of the pencil is kind of weird. It smells like cheap makeup. I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of like chemically, but not awful, but kind of like smells cheap. It reminds me of something. My husband and I having our anniversary on Friday, not on Friday, it's on the 11th, but we celebrate on Friday because we got reservations at Hamburger Mary's. If you don't know what that is, it's like the most fabulous drag show. We haven't been yet. So all the RuPaul girls gonna be there on Friday, and I'm freaking out. Look at the outfit, the wig plan, the lashes. I'm gonna look like one of the girls. So we'll see. Maybe I'll make a video out of it. It's tricky with the bright pencils. I just took my sweet time making a line as perfect as I could. So let's see, which was a deeper tone? I think it's this one. So let's be brave and go for the deep lipstick. I have a feeling I'm gonna hate it, but we'll see. Lipstick smells similarly to the pencil, kind of odd smell. I can't place it, but it smells kind of familiar. I don't know, like unpleasantly familiar. It's okay. It's not super creamy, but it's not super dry. Okay, so it made me look even more pale than I am now. And I kind of don't like it, as I thought I wouldn't. It's too bright. I like the attention in my eyes and not on my lips, so most likely I'll remove this later. But for the purpose of the video, we're going to keep this. And next one, I guess I'm gonna try the lashes. So let's try these lashes. I don't know what you think. I don't know what you think about the lips. I'm really not into this. What do you guys think? I don't know, I'm just not used to this. Okay, so let's look at this. They come in a little plastic thing and have different names. I'm probably gonna go for the biggest ones. Even the biggest ones still look natural. They're not very dramatic. So I think I'm gonna go for either this or this. So I'm going to trim them off camera because they're a little long. And we're going to put them on and I'll come back for the final look and the final thoughts. Okay, so I'm back. I finished my eyelashes and this is what happened. Let me show you close up. They're nice, they're very natural. So I used one of the bigger ones in the middle. I cut a little piece that kind of looks similar to these. And as I said, they don't look all that extreme, although they're supposed to be a little more extreme than the others. But they're pretty natural, so they're good for every day. They really look pretty with this makeup look. The only thing I'm not sure about still is the mouth. I keep looking at my mouth and I'm like, it's too bright. My husband loves it though. He looked, he was like, oh yeah, I love this. I think men like red lipstick for some reason. But it's more of a berry, so I think it goes with the Teddy Beauty eyeshadow very well. So let me know what you guys think. I think the eyelashes is my second purchase for every day. Not very dramatic. For every day is good. The contour palette, $1.99. It's kind of like blah. You know, if you have deeper skin tone, it's gonna work better. The highlight was like, wow, worked. And blush was good, actually, it was very good. And what else? The lipsticks, oh, they're great. And the packaging is really pretty. So if you get something like this, almost like a gift for Christmas, I mean, it's a cheap gift for yourself or something. Profusion is not a bad brand, so it doesn't say much about it, so it just works. It works well. It doesn't go over the line. I've been talking for a while and it still looks matte. It doesn't look like it's been transferring to my teeth, so which is a good thing. And the eyelashes are good, so that's all for this haul. A very cheap haul. And it's pretty good, I would say. Most of the products worked well. So leave me a comment below what you guys think. Do you have a 99-cent only stores near you? I think it's only like Southwest, like California, Nevada and stuff. And give this video a thumbs up if you like this. And don't forget to subscribe. I upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 11 AM Pacific time. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!